This is Linnea Howell, and the following material was written by me alone and represents my own personal opinions on this topic. 43 Things is a social networking site that allows users to list their goals and achievements onto the web for others to see. It is essentially a place where complete strangers can encourage one another to achieve their goals and to be inspired by others. One can find people who are interested in attaining the same mission and look to them for encouragement and ideas on how to accomplish the task. This is a form of a social networking site because it promotes communication and exchange of ideas. It has various forms of interaction that involves technology to enhance the experience. Photos, comments, being able to follow people are a part of the 43 Things experience, which are common characteristics of a social networking site. When first creating a profile, I was prompted to either create one through making up a new username and password or connecting through Facebook. I opted to connect through Facebook simply because I thought it would be easier to do so, and it was. I did not have to think of a new username, and I was instead given the username of user13630. I thought it would display my Facebook name, but in any case, I don't mind the generic name, seeing as I chose not to create one in the first place. It is common today for individual social networking sites to be able to link together. It creates a larger connection in addition to it being a form of self-advertising for the social networking sites. After registering, the top of the page appears to have a Facebook element where I can add a photo, update a status, and find any messages that other people on the site might have sent to me. Underneath this portion of the website is where I can list my goals. I made up a few, and what I did like was the right next to each goal I added, it showed the number of other people on the website who were also trying to accomplish the same goal. This seems like a great idea to me to help those who use the website to see that they might not necessarily be alone in trying to achieve that goal. In addition to seeing how many people also wanted to accomplish the same goal as you, 43 Things use a word cloud in which the frequency of the terms used decides how big the font of the phrase is. The larger the font, the more popular the goal is. I also like this aspect from a visual standpoint in which it made it easier to see where people are on the website. This site is very interesting, and I can see it being helpful to those who take it seriously with what they post as goals and the advice they give to others. Just as an experiment, I typed in some bad words, such as cheat and kill, to see what would come up. So many people talked about cheating on a spouse as a goal. It made me question the validity and values of the people on the site. But all in all, the purpose of 43 Things is inspiring and has been proven to be useful, seeing as there are over 3 million users.